Hi guys, Laz here, and in this video we're going to be creating pages. So pages are very important. They're going to be, for example, terms of service, frequently asked questions, about us, all those pages that we're going to create here. And basically we're going to be creating those now, and then later we're going to be adding them to menus. So let's get started there. So I'm going to create a couple pages here. Basically, what you're going to want to do is create some of these as well as, and you're also going to want to create a couple more depending on your stuff. So I'm going to create a contact us page. Contact us, very important. Reach us, reach us. And you can also add like a phone number here. Phone number 1-800. Now this is just a made up number. 111 1234. So this is just a made up number. This is just obviously, guys. Well, this we actually created a forwarding email for this, so this is actually this would work. The phone number, you can add your own phone number to this, and basically you're setting this up under your own stuff. Anytime, 24/7, 365. So that is our contact us page. So we're gonna go ahead and save that. So we've already created a contact us page. It's right here. It appears on their pages. Now we want to add the very important pages, the terms of service, all those legal pages, terms of service, because we need to have those available on our site. So what we're going to want to do here is open this in a new tab. Why isn't this working? Right there. So we're going to open this in a new tab because we're actually going to copy and paste over all the information. So we're going to go into checkout, and we're going to go down here to where we generated this, and we're going to copy the entire thing, copy, and we're going to paste it right in here. So just did a control C, control V, and right here we have our terms of service. So we want to save this page, and we're going to save this here. So now we have our terms of service page is created. So we want to go back, and now we want to do our privacy policy. Right in here. Want to go back to our checkout settings, and we want to copy the privacy policy. Control C. And here we are with the privacy policy. We go ahead and save that. And we have the privacy policy page created. We'll continue with the refund policy. We will go here, and we will copy. Copy that for the refund policy, and we will paste that there. We'll save that. So now we have our basic contact us, privacy policy, refund policy, terms of service. We have those created. We are also going to be creating a frequently asked questions page, and we'll be creating that later. We'll actually give you guys a script of what you guys can add in that section, the questions that customers mostly ask. because over time you figure out what a customer really wants to know. So we'll just give you guys all those questions and then what we answer for them, and you guys can play around with that and change it up to your model. But yeah, we'll give you guys that information, and that's pretty much it for pages. As I said before, there's going to be other things that you can add here, but for now, these are just the basic ones that we need. So now that we have our pages set up, we're good to go. And in the next video, we're going to go over navigation. All right, guys, see you guys in the next video.